Oh, crikey mates, g'day. I tell you what, it's feeling real spiritual in the woods today. Oh, just pure serenity. You can feel that serenity. It's just magic. It's the perfect setting for the Burning Lamb Mountain Bike Festival on June 21st. Talk about an adventure with a spooky midnight ride, hypnotic tribal dancing, whoa, aromatic coffee. And these are just a few of the amazing experience waiting for the pure of heart. Check out all the details at lambertrails.com. Go on. Head on over there now. lambertrails.com. Have a gander. Oh, just magic. I just love that serenity. Just love it.